Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, we use in the kitchen. Correct. Number 2, to do something poorly. It's the opposite of well. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Be careful, the oven is hot. Be careful, the oven is hot. Oven. A hot box in the kitchen for baking bread. Now we can make a flashcard for oven. We use oven with the verb to bake. Please make a card like this. Write oven up here in the top left corner, OVEN. Down here in the bottom left corner, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 30 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Oven. Oven. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob plays tennis poorly. Bob plays tennis poorly. Poorly. He does not play tennis well. He is not good at tennis. Now we can make a flashcard for poorly. Please make a card like this. Write TDS. This means to do something poorly. Up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 26 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Poor. Poorly. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned in the kitchen there is an oven. Yes. Is it hot or cold? It's very hot. And Bob does not play tennis well. He plays tennis poorly. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a noun. Meaning, correct. The meaning of the word. Number 2, can you say it? Ripped pants. These are pants with holes in them on purpose. Number 3, to spray something in the air. Today is Friday, June 6th. If you are new, welcome. We learn 2 words every day and write them on flashcards. It's a complete 2-year course. Please write your language on the other side of the card. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime, study for 2 years, and then it's graduation time. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.